At My Wheel Doctor, we believe in turning challenges into satisfaction. Today, we're sharing a story from the Allen residence in Southwest Houston. A customer rolled in with a cracked rim, a problem many fear could take days to fix. But we had a different plan. Using our premium welding rods, stronger than the original rim itself, we expertly welded the crack, ensuring exceptional strength and durability. And for added peace of mind, we backed it with a 5-year warranty on the weld. What's more, our expert team completed the repair in just 1 to 2 hours, allowing our customer to hit the road again safely and swiftly. Fast, quality service you can count on. That's our promise to you. If you're in Southwest Houston and need a reliable wheel repair, contact My Wheel Doctor today. Your safety, our priority.